Hi guys, Dorota Palicka, international nail artist and educator here, and we are in the salon again. Things go slowly and we have been really tired, but I want to show you the progress, and also we will be doing some giveaway as well, so stay tuned with us. We have finally removed some old signs, which I'm really grateful for. That's actually the old sign standing in there, so watch my feet. And you can see the tiles, the room is ready for the tiles and it's clean. So you can finally see the stand-up sunbed room, which actually once all the mess is removed, the room seems to be much bigger. So I'm so happy about it. We have done the lie-down room is already tiled, but is kept as a storage at the moment. And we've got some upskirts there as well. Decided like 2 minutes ago we want some silver 3-minute because it looks fantastic. I could see it in the kitchen already. The stage place where we are gonna have the hairdressing is also coming into the shape. And I cannot wait to see actually the tiles on the stairs, like when they nicely join in with the rest of the floor. I think that will look absolutely amazing. So I'm really looking forward for that part. And you can see also the backwash is gonna be here because that's where all the hairdressing stations will be there. And I need to show you the silver trim because it looks so pretty. So that's my hidden kitchen. It's nice, like I love it. And that's the trim. It looks fantastic. You can also see it. I have shortened my nails so much, they bare. I have no time to actually do them. But yes, this is gonna be my favorite hiding place. And in here we've got some mess, quite a lot of mess at the moment still. But we decided also that we are gonna put some skirting, quite a nice, actually I ordered it today, about 14 centimeters high, just because it will go better with the place. And look what we've got in here. Because we took a signs off from this building, we start taking the signs off from our previous salon. And as you can see, there is also they are actually pretty old because the first salon opened back in 2009. So that's ages ago. And we'll be actually really sad to say goodbye to that salon. But when we bring it in, those advertising boards, I thought they actually just don't go with this place. And even the name doesn't go with that place. Yeah, so I've got a job for you guys. I will be giving away a free wedding nail art online training. It is an absolutely amazing training, guys, and it will go to the person which will help us with the new name. Okay, so your job is to think of a new name of our salon, something which will go with this place, something which will be very attractive to the clients. And basically we do everything. So we do nails, we do feet, we do permanent makeup, we do eyebrows, eyelashes, waxing, massage, aesthetics, like lots of different treatments, and the sunbeds as well. And we need some nice and catchy names. So put your proposal in the comments section, and the one we will pick will receive a free online nail art training with the wedding theme. I think it's also fantastic training as well, and I'm looking forward for your ideas, guys, because I know you will definitely come up with something really nice. So that's something to keep you occupied. We've got our sinks arriving as well, and they should be put in soon, which is great. I've got the doors, which we will replace as well. Started to sanding them, and I will need to do the painting. Unfortunately, my light came in broken, so I cannot show you my beautiful chandelier light, which will be going here soon as well. And we've got 45 spotlights still to put on. I'm gonna show you because the other room is nice and finished, and it looks absolutely amazing. So the arches I have done yesterday, actually. Going back, like jumping on the place, I have done the last final touches of the plaster. It already looks amazing, and I have to do just sanding, and I probably will really do it next week. I'm sitting in a house and every single second and doing those molds, so things will look nice and pretty. You can also see We have already put it on the doors. There was a video on that, but on the arch, I want to do a really dedicated video to show you how the idea is born and how I'm kind of connecting the things together. And look at this room. Like, I mean, looks really pretty. And we have done, the grout is done as well. In the house, we went for the white one, and I was really scared of the gray one, but actually I like them. I think even like them better than white. Yeah, we've got a little spider in here. Whoops. So, very happy with this gray. The toilet is starting looking better. There is still lots of job to be done, but we have already, Patrick just did, we still need to finish. Whoa, they are not lied down, don't stand there. We just started blocking some pipes, but things look cleaner, you know, much cleaner. So I cannot wait once it's finished as well. Here, obviously, we have done, we had to build up a little bit on the wall to fit the doors so they open nice. Yeah, there is still lots of work in there. Another room which has tiles in and the growth, yeah. And again, it looks so much nicer. So you can see it. We're using it as a storage room. Very, very messy. And the pedicure room, because I didn't show you that last time, I can show you today. Because it looks so nice as well with the tiles, and you can see those angles of the walls. Obviously the tiles will go on the shelves here as well. At the moment there is just all mess going on in here, but yeah, things looks nice. You can show the floor, Patrick, as well, like how nicely it joins in with the things. Of course, there is still the raised stage to go in this area, so we can complete it a nice and comfy workplace when we carry out the pedicures. But I'm looking forward, guys, to seeing your ideas about the name. Just a reminder, the address of the building is approved, and that's a Diamond House on Bank Street in Fort William, PH 336AB. So something which will go with that, something which will go with all the treatments we do, and something which will go with the design which we have created inside the building. So I hope you have really enjoyed this very short update, what have been going on in here, and I'm sending you huge glittery hugs. Bye!